Hi, welcome. My name is Vicki Dreyer, and I am an integration support specialist for Cheyenne Mountain School District 12. That's just a fancy way of saying that I help teachers integrate 21st century best practices into their classrooms. So in the next 5 minutes, we're going to explore how robotics can transform elementary education, making learning more interactive. We'll see how robots simplify complex ideas and engage young learners, preparing them for a future where technology seamlessly enhances education. So why robots? Robots bring concepts to life. They enhance all STEM learning subjects, and they foster collaboration. They boost creativity, they encourage student engagement, and they prepare learners for future technological landscapes. Robots also align with all state standards. They offer students dynamic hands-on experiences that integrate multiple curricular standards at once. They deepen understanding by applying concepts in real-world contexts, which enhances comprehensive learning. Robots increase student engagement by making learning interactive and immersive. They encourage exploration, enhance problem-solving skills, and foster collaboration and critical thinking, which enriches learning insights. Robots also transform traditional learning into dynamic, engaging learning adventures. By capturing young students' attention, robots lay a foundation for their sustained curiosity and future innovative pursuits. For example, students can program robots to navigate mazes, applying math and physics in real-world contexts. The hands-on approach reinforces mathematical and physical understanding and enhances problem-solving skills as they adjust variables and predict outcomes to achieve success. Robots bring abstract concepts to life by helping students visualize complex mathematical concepts. Creating and recognizing patterns enhances students' grasp of math, boosting engagement and understanding through practical, interactive applications. Robots also serve as mini explorers, enabling students to model human body systems, study landform impacts on weather, and explore force and motion principles. They bring scientific cycles to life, enhancing comprehension and retention of complex concepts. Robots also narrate stories or act out scenarios, helping students with literacy and engaging them in storytelling. They can be used for sequencing, retelling stories to reinforce comprehension, and even utilizing emojis to create and narrate visually driven stories, adding a layer of fun for the students. Robots bring history to life by tracing the routes of early explorers, simulating their journeys across the oceans and land. Students program robots to create maps and explore the use of the compass rose, enhancing their understanding of navigation and geographical orientation. Learning to program robots using block coding teaches logic, coding skills, and digital literacy, laying a foundational framework for success in our digital age because block coding simplifies complex programming concepts. Robots inherently foster teamwork, creating a collaborative classroom environment where students solve problems and share their learning experiences. Teamwork enhances students' technical skills while cultivating essential social skills such as communication, leadership, and mutual respect. Robot activities also bolster critical thinking and problem-solving skills as students learn to troubleshoot and innovate on the fly. In engaging with robots, they practice solving problems efficiently, thinking creatively under pressure, and adapting strategies to new challenges. Robots provide a non-threatening assessment technique. We can effectively assess students by observing and evaluating how they apply their knowledge to practical tasks, demonstrating their understanding and providing insights into areas for improvement. For educators seeking to integrate robots into their curriculum, a wealth of resources are available, from instructional blogs and dynamic YouTube tutorials to engage social media platforms. There is ongoing research exploring the impact and effectiveness of robots in elementary classrooms. The research generally focuses on STEM learning, engagement and motivation, development of 21st century skills, diversity and inclusion, and academic outcomes. Integrating robots into elementary education does pose some significant challenges, including high costs and limited resources, the need for extensive teacher training, difficulties in aligning robotics with existing curricula and ensuring equitable access for all students, Solutions to these challenges include securing funding through grants and partnerships, offering targeted professional development for teachers, incorporating robotics through interdisciplinary project-based learning, and ensuring all programs are designed for inclusivity and accessibility. Thank you for listening. You've been a fantastic audience. If you have any questions or would like to talk through any robot activities, my email's on the screen. Have a fantastic